Have you ever wondered how your favorite cap is made? From design to final packaging, it goes through an incredible process of creativity, precision, and craftsmanship. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to uncover every step of cap manufacturing. Let's get started. It all begins with an idea. Designers carefully sketch out the cap, experimenting with different shapes, materials, and colors. They consider style, functionality, and comfort to create the perfect design. Once finalized, the sketch is transformed into a 3D digital model, ensuring every detail is just right before production begins. To bring the design to life, a precise digital pattern is created using advanced software. This pattern acts as a blueprint, guiding the cutting and assembly process to make sure every piece fits perfectly. Not all caps are made the same. High-quality materials like breathable cotton, durable polyester, and even premium leather are carefully selected. The choice of fabric determines how comfortable and long-lasting the cap will be. Once the material is chosen, it's time to cut. Large sheets of fabric are placed into high-precision cutting machines that slice each panel with incredible accuracy. Every single piece is essential to the cap's final structure. A cap isn't just an accessory, it's a statement. Logos and designs are embroidered or printed with advanced technology, adding personality and brand identity to each cap. Now it's time to stitch everything together. Skilled workers use industrial sewing machines to assemble the panels, ensuring strong and precise seams. This step is crucial for the cap's durability and perfect fit. A signature part of the cap is the visor. A durable yet flexible insert is placed inside the fabric, giving it the perfect shape. It's then stitched securely to the cap, ensuring it stays firm while still being comfortable. For extra comfort, an absorbent sweatband is added inside the cap. Finally, an adjustable strap, whether Velcro, snapback, or fitted, is installed, making sure the cap fits just right for everyone. Before leaving the factory, each cap goes through a strict quality check. Every stitch, every seam, and every detail is carefully inspected to make sure it meets the highest standards. Once approved, the caps are neatly packed and prepared for shipping. Whether heading to a store or straight to your doorstep, they're now ready to be worn by people around the world. And that's how a simple cap goes from an idea to a finished product. Next time you wear your favorite cap, you'll know the craftsmanship behind it. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.